morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, let's begin then with Piramal Enterprises, that is in focus, as we understand that buyout fund Apollo Global as well as Renuka Ramnath's multiple alternate asset management, they have entered the race to acquire Piramal Glass, and this is the group's business that is considered Asia's biggest for specialty products, according to the Economic Times. So nothing has been confirmed just as yet. In fact, we understand that Blackstone, which is the largest PE firm, as well as Partners Group Holding AG, are already in the race, and it's in the range of 7,000 to 8,000 crore rupees, or close to $1 billion, according to sources. All four have been qualified after the first round of screening. They have begun their due diligence, and the decision to exit the non-core business from Ajay Piramal, like Glass, comes on the back of the news of Piramal Enterprises' move to unlock value in their pharma business by selling 20% stake to Carlyle for about 3,000 odd crores. That's a stock to keep an eye out on. Getting a move on then, Coal India in focus as well. They target to reach 1 billion ton production. This is by FY 23-24. In fact, they say if they reach this, it will mean a CAGR of 13.5% from FY 20 level of about 602 MT. They also target to substitute 100 million tons, 150 million tons imported thermal coal by FY 21-22, and India has imported around 250 million tons of coking coal in FY 20. Route Mobile, successful debut on D Street, and here have been some of the key buyers into the stock. PRB Securities buys 2 lakh shares. Goldman Sachs India Fund buys about 4.75 lakh shares at 705.9 per share. Goldman Sachs Trust Emerging Market Equity Fund buys 8 lakh shares at 705.9 per share. You had Goldman Sachs GSFDS Sicav Global Markets Emerging Market Equity Portfolio buying about 11.3 lakh shares at a price point of 705.9. There's also Kuwait Investment Authority, and these have been some of the big buyers. Meantime, you've also got Oberoi Realty. It's on Goldman Sachs' radar. In fact, they are maintaining a buy with a target price of 465, saying it has a relatively stronger MRR and demand for ready-to-move inventory. The pricing has remained largely flat across markets, and a strong sequential improvement in July has been witnessed. Kotak Bank is on Morgan Stanley's radar. They maintain an overweight with a target at 1475, saying the bank highlighted moderation in their pace of economic improvement and in the recent months, and for the growth outlook that remains tough. Margins could remain under pressure due to excess liquidity.